In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Google Cloud Platform using the Web Console. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll be navigating the platform with confidence. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. In the address bar at the top, type in the URL for the Google Cloud Console. Alternatively, if you're already on the Google Cloud homepage, simply look for and click on the console link. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful tools and services that Google Cloud offers. Once you've arrived at the Google Cloud Console page, you might be prompted to sign in. Here, you'll use your Google account credentials. This is usually the email address associated with your Google services, like your Gmail account. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Just follow the on-screen instructions for account creation. It's quite intuitive. After entering your credentials and successfully logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. This is the central hub of your Google Cloud Platform activities. From this dashboard, you have a bird's-eye view of all your current projects. It's like the control room where you can execute various tasks and monitor what's happening across your solutions. On this dashboard, you'll also see sections dedicated to different Google Cloud services. Here, you can manage your projects, whether you are starting a new one or working on an existing one. You'll find tools and resources for Compute Engine if you're dealing with virtual machines, Cloud Storage for storing vast amounts of data, and BigQuery for running large-scale SQL queries. And don't worry if you're not familiar with these terms just yet. As you become more accustomed to the Google Cloud Platform, these tools will become indispensable components of your workflow. While you're exploring the dashboard, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with its layout. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, but it can be helpful to orient yourself with where everything is located. This will save you time in the future. Remember, the Google Cloud Console is a robust tool. Spend some time exploring its features, but start with the basics. If you ever lose your way, most browsers allow you to use the back button to return to the previous page. Or, you can always return to the dashboard to reset your navigation path. And there you have it, the uncomplicated process of logging into the Google Cloud Platform using the Web Console. This is just the beginning of your journey with GCP, but as with any new tool, comfort comes with practice. Thanks for joining me, and happy exploring on Google Cloud.